Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Moving right along in our Learn to Cook. We're going to be making some tacos. Excuse me. So there's two kinds of people in the world, those who like tacos and those who are wrong. You know, tacos are just incredibly versatile. You know, ground beef, steak, carne asada, chicken. Was it pico de pollo, I think it is, with the chicken and tomato sauce. I might be saying that wrong. Pork, like carnitas or something else. You can even make fish tacos, which I've done on this channel. I've made, you can probably even do vegetarian tacos. Just stir fry some vegetables and make your taco meat. So we're going to make some taco meat. Let's get to it.
We got my pan out. Getting hungry, I haven't had dinner yet, so a little bit of oil. I found this at the grocery store. It is $2.77, but it's diced taco meat, it said. So I actually got ground beef too, so I'm gonna have a lot of taco meat left over. I have a pound of 93% ground beef as well, so throw this in here. Hell, even taco meat is quite versatile because you can do a lot with taco meat. You can make taco omelets. You can do, you can put it on cornbread, top it with cheese, and bake it. Delicious. All kinds of good stuff. I'll even just put it on scrambled eggs. So I've got to add the additional seasonings because that's just how I roll. I'm also going to be adding a packet of taco seasoning, but I like the additional. Got some Slapio Mama. Got a little ground paprika. I really should be making my own taco seasoning from scratch, and I should probably look into that. A little salt. Alright, so I'm going to be doing a soft taco with these carb balance tortilla shells. Which I already got one open here. I've just been making breakfast tacos because these shells have very little carbohydrate. So this is the McCormick seasoning I was telling you about. Alright, so I just diced up half a tomato. If you don't like tomato, you can just leave them out. No big deal. I might have to make a taco omelet tomorrow, maybe. See how I'm feeling in the morning. Alright, so I really like avocado, so I'm going to be putting some avocado in mine. I got a big one here. And when you wrap these up, a pro tip is to wrap it up with the pit still in it, because for some reason the pit seems to keep the avocado greener. Alright, so what I want to do is make sort of an avocado, I guess you could call it guacamole, but I'm not really going to make guacamole. So like guacamole-ish. Unless it's actually guacamole, and you can correct me in the comments. Or it's close enough, whatever. Alright. Add a little salt. A little bit of pepper. Alright, I got a little bit of lemon here. The lemon will keep it from changing color on me. Just use your finger to catch any seeds. I guess what I'll just go ahead and do is just make guacamole. Or call it guacamole. Got some sloppy mama white. That way I can just throw it right on the taco. Oh, I don't have any cilantro though, but that's alright. And I don't have any whatchamacallit. Alright, so the beef is cooking up nicely. I'll throw my cast iron pan on just to warm up 2 shells. Fry your ground beef to desired doneness. I know my buddy Tracy Phillips likes his meat well done, but that's fine. Yeah, to drain this, there's a lot of moisture in here. Alright. Damn it. Gotta try and drain this. Get rid of all that extra . Get rid of all that liquid in there. I really need a shallower bowl for this. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and add the taco seasoning. And what I like to do is I'll just use the, I'll just fill the sachet up with a little bit of water. I'll just fill it full of water. And I'll add it. And stir that in. Now what I drained off with fat, not water. Although there may have been, that meat may have been frozen, so there might have been a little residual moisture. But I'll basically just let this sit and simmer, and it will, once all the water is evaporated, dinner's on. I just had some get kicked out. Here's the heat. It only took a couple of minutes for all that water to evaporate, basically. I mean, there's still a little bit of moisture in there, but it will, as it sits off heat, it'll dry up. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Feel the heat. So all my burners are cut off. Got my tortilla shells out. I can go ahead and I'm just going to put this on the bottom, I guess. So it's tomato and avocado, a little bit of seasoning. I might make a third. Got some ground beef. You can actually overfill these pretty easy. Been there more times than I can count. cheddar cheese. You can also use, I mean, hell, pick a cheese that you like and you can use it. I happen to really like sharp cheddar, so got sharp cheddar in there. Then I've got some a little bit of romaine here, chopped up, washed. Just dropped a little bit. All right, though. And there we go. Easy.
Alrighty, had to go grab a photo before I dug in. So technically this is a low carb taco because of the shells, if I can pick it up. So, there you go. Oh man, that's stuff. Well, I'm gonna go sit down and eat dinner. I'll bring it back in a few. Alright, well, that was freaking delicious. I ended up eating the third one. Really good, easy, you know, the meals don't have to be hard. Yeah, like I said, you can pretty much make them however you want. Anyway, I think tomorrow morning I'll make the taco omelet I mentioned. So, yeah. Well, have a good, great rest of your day, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.